Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can search the player based on event or based on program in EA Sport FC Mobile 24. So I made this video for the beginner or that new into this game. So let's get started by tap the market, tap the search, and tap this program. As you can see, there are 5 programs right now, and from icons heroes, welcome to FC Mobile, that new program in this season, and the founders is last season's program and UCL tournament. So let's get started by tapping the welcome to FC Mobile. This is a new program. Tap search, and this player all based on welcome to FC player program. So please free to try search your player based on the program. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.